What's up, Camp Griddle? If you are not following my friend Jess Ferrin, then you need to be. She's a fellow RV owner, she's a big camper, and she makes absolutely delicious recipes on the Blackstone. On today's episode, we are gonna make her apple pie pancakes. As soon as I saw that video pop up, I knew I needed to eat some of those. So let's get camping and let's get cooking. It is a late fall, early winter, crisp morning here at Spacious Skies Country Oaks in South Jersey, which is one of the only campgrounds around me that's open all winter. So we're here for breakfast. It's a little bit chilly, so we want a nice warm breakfast. So these apple pie pancakes are gonna be absolutely perfect. Let's get started by dicing up 2 apples, and we are using Honeycrisp apples as per Jess's recommendation. After our apples are diced up, we are gonna light one of our burners on our Blackstone camping griddle. We're gonna put this on medium heat, and we're gonna go down with half a stick of butter. We're gonna spread that butter all around and then drop our apples right into the butter and let them start to soften. While that's happening, let's go over to our side burner and let's add the other half a stick of butter to our skillet. Let's get that nicely melted, and then let's head back to our diced up apples and scoop them up and then bring them over to the skillet. Now let's add our magic ingredients from Jess's amazing recipe. Let's go down with half a cup of brown sugar, about half a cup of honey. I'm not gonna measure the honey, I'm just gonna do it by eye. And then we're gonna squeeze half a lemon and then use a tablespoon of cinnamon and just a little bit of nutmeg and a little bit of vanilla extract. Then we're gonna add just 1 tablespoon of cornstarch and a tablespoon of water to the mix and stir it up and let it start to thicken. Now let's use our favorite pancake batter to make up enough batter for 6 pancakes. That's the number that's gonna fit on our griddle in 1 round of pancake making. All right, now let's head back to the griddle, and remember, we've got all of that butter sitting there ready to go, so let's spread that around all over the griddle, give it a butter bath so it is ready for our pancakes. After about a minute, our pancakes are going to be ready for a flip. We're gonna give them about another minute on there before they are done, and then we are going to plate them or present them on a cutting board. And now it's time for the Jess Ferrin magic to happen, because we are gonna scoop that apple pie mixture right onto each of these pancakes. And it looks so good, and it smells so good, and I absolutely cannot wait to dive in. Now this apple pie mixture is so good, I'm not even sure we need the maple syrup that Jess recommended, but since it's in her recipe, let's go down with some maple syrup too. What's the little fork for? My wife Stephanie got this set for the RV, which I appreciate, but it's a little fork.
I'm team little fork.
You're team little fork?
Team little fork.
I'm team big fork, and I'm team Jess Ferrin's apple pie pancakes. I cannot wait to dive into these. All right, look at that. That is bite of heaven at the campground. Probably the best pancakes I've ever had in my life. That apple pie mixture is absolutely off the hook, insane delicious, and it's so easy to make. That's the thing, Camp Griddle. Anybody can make that apple pie mixture, put them on the pancakes. I didn't think we would need the maple syrup. I questioned Jess on that one a little bit. I'm sorry, Jess, I questioned you a little bit. Didn't think that maple syrup would be necessary, but I love the way that flavor blends in with the apple pie mixture. Sean, you may need to turn the camera off because I need some alone time.
Oh, what about me? I want some.
With these pancakes. Well, there might be one left for you. These are so scrumptious, so delicious. What a perfect treat for a chilly day at the campground.
You know, around the holidays, I eat apple pie for breakfast because my grandma makes apple pies, and I eat it for breakfast like every morning. I'm thinking maybe I should put it on the pancakes.
All right, did Jess do good on this one?
Oh my God, amazing. Fantastic.
Thank you so much for joining us, Camp Griddle, and a huge thank you to Jess Ferrin, my friend from the Griddle crew. She is such an awesome person. I love her recipes, so creative, so fun. This one was super easy to make. This is going to become part of my regular rotation at the campground. Jess, this one's for you. Wish we were camping here together. Thank you so much for joining us, everyone. Make sure you try these next time you go camping or try them at home. Super delicious, super easy, next level apple pie pancakes.